Hey you friends, a girl Kinky and welcome back to my channel. You already know this channel is here to help you grow a healthy and long natural hair. So if you're new to this channel, consider subscribing and clicking the notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. So on today's video, I'll be sharing with you guys 5 essential tools that you must have as a naturalista if you're starting your hair journey. If you know you want to keep your natural hair healthy, there are some certain essential tools you must have, and I'm going to be sharing with you guys today. So without wasting much of your time, let's jump right into the video. So the first natural hair tool that you must have if you're starting your hair journey, you're a beginner, or you've already started your hair journey, is a spray bottle. Now this is very important because it is very useful. You can use it to spray your hair during your moisturizing. You can use it to apply some certain treatment to your hair once they are liquid or anything. Okay, I'm going to show you my own how it looks. Okay, this is what my spray bottle looks like. This is actually from a product I finished using and I decided to change it to a spray bottle. This is also another spray bottle you can use. This is the one I usually use to travel. It's very small. Now you can make your own DIY spray bottles from all of the products that you've used that has something you can actually spray with. Okay, like this. See how it comes out. So as long as it can spray your hair, it's very important. You can also get the very naturalista type that you get from natural hair stores and all that. They are still, but make sure you have a spray bottle. The next tool you need to have is a wide tooth comb. It can be a diamond brush, it can be a fro comb that you can use for your hair. I'm going to be showing you how my combs look like, and this is one of the combs I use on my hair, and this is my afro comb. It actually broke because of my hair. So this is the comb I use for my afro, like I do on this one. So you need to have this comb. You can also have something like this is called a diamond brush. Okay, so I usually use it when I want to detangle my hair. And I also have this brush. I use it to kind of like do this. And I also have a brush I use for my edges too. I really can't find it right now to show you guys, but you should have at least one of these combs. It is very important. It should be a wide tooth comb that will actually comb your hair properly and not break your hair for you. Okay, so make sure you're having a wide tooth comb. It is very essential for beginners like you. Okay, so the next tool you must have is a hair band. Now this is very important for those of you that want to pack your hair like this style I'm making right now. I actually use a shoelace to do this. Okay, I'm going to be showing you guys what it looks like. Okay, like this is a shoelace that I usually use, or you can have this kind of hair band or this crunch like this. Okay, now I'm actually showing you guys because you can use this um to save a bad hair day. Okay, like maybe at the end of the day the style you wanted to make didn't come out well. This can actually save you. You can just change. Like my hair now, I did a flexi rod set, yes, and it didn't come out as the way I wanted it to be. Like it didn't coil as much as I wanted it to be. So the shoelace just saved the day. Like I had to change the style and made it look like this, and it's still looking fabulous. Like make sure you're having one of this because it is very essential. It will always save you at the end of the day. So for beginners, you need to have something like this to pack your fro, to make your buns, your ponytail, whichever style you want to make. This will surely help you. So the next tool, which is the fourth tool that you must have, it is very essential, very important for beginners. If you are a naturalist that just starting your hair journey, you must have a satin bonnet. Like this satin bonnet is a lifesaver. Like it will help your hair at night when you moisturize your hair. This satin bonnet will actually make your hair not to lose moisture. Even your hairstyles will be kept intact with this satin bonnet. Like it is very essential if you know you want a smooth hair journey. Okay, so this satin bonnet is definitely going to help your hair a lot. So make sure you have one. If you don't have one, you can get a satin scarf or a silk scarf. Okay, so this is what this satin or silk, okay, scarf is looking like. Okay, this is it. So usually I use this to keep my hair up, like at night I still use it to sleep. Okay, so make sure you have one of this. It is very important, very very important. If you know you want your hair journey to be as smooth as ever, like, and you want a healthy hair, you should have at least one of this. Okay, it's very very important. So the last essential tool that you should have is a bobby pin. Like, this is what a bobby pin looks like. Okay, they are tiny, but can actually, you can lose them at any time. Okay, but this is very important. This can actually save a bad hair day. Okay, like, you can just use it to pin up your hair and you're ready to go. Okay, this is very essential for beginners. These bobby pins can actually help your hair a lot, so make sure you have some and save them somewhere you will not lose them, because they are the first to always get lost. Okay, so make sure you have them. It will actually save your hair, save any style that you wanted to make. Okay, so make sure you have a bobby pin. It's very important. So guys, I hope this video has really been helpful, and make sure you have at least 2 to 3 of these tools. They are very important. They will actually save your hair and make your hair journey smooth. Okay, they will also help your hair be manageable. Like, you will be able to maintain your hair with some of these tools. Like, all of these tools, they are very important. Okay, you should have them for your hair journey to be smooth. So make sure you subscribe to my channel, and give this video a very big thumbs up. Leave a comment below. Let us know which hair tool you have and how they've actually saved your hair. Okay, I'll see you in my next video where I'll be telling you guys my best hair products. Like, you don't want to miss that video, so make sure you turn on the notification bell so you don't miss this video. I'll be giving you guys the best hair product for hair growth and thicker hair. So thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.